Welcome back to Alternative Class. Today, we're going to talk about multiplication and division of fractions. How to multiply two or more fractions. Multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators. Example, 5/8 times 2/5. First, multiply the numerators. 5 times 2 is 10. Then multiply the denominators. 8 times 5 is 40. So 5/8 times 2/5 is 10/40. Now let's have three fractions. 5/8 times 2/5 times 1/3. So first, multiply the numerators. 5 times 2 times 1 is 10. Then multiply the denominators. 8 times 5 times 3 is 120. So 5/8 times 2/5 times 1/3 is 10/120. Multiplying whole numbers and fractions. First, convert the whole number into fraction by placing a denominator of 1. Example, 3 times 2/5. The whole number, 3, gets a denominator of 1. Next step, multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators. So multiply the numerators. 3 times 2 is 6. Then multiply the denominators. 1 times 5 is 5. So 3 times 2/5 is 6/5. Now let's try to multiply mixed fractions and fractions. First, convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Example, 3 2/5 times 3/4. 3 2/5 is a mixed fraction. It has a whole number and a fraction. So this must be converted to improper fraction. Take a look at the process. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So 3 2/5 is 17/5. Next, multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators. So multiply the numerators. 17 times 3 is 51. Next, multiply the denominators. 5 times 4 is 20. So the product is 51/28. Now let's move on to division of fractions. First, convert the divisor to its reciprocal. Example, 5/8 divided by 2/3. The divisor is 2/3. So convert 2/3 to its reciprocal by interchanging the numerator and the denominator. So 2/3 becomes 3/2. Next step, change the operation to multiplication, then multiply the fractions. So change the operation from division to multiplication. Then multiply the fractions. 5 times 3 is 15. 8 times 2 is 16. So 5/8 divided by 2/3 is 15/16. How to divide fraction by a whole number? First, convert the divisor to its reciprocal. Example, 5/8 divided by 2. The divisor 2 is a whole number. So convert this to its reciprocal by giving a numerator of 1 and making 2 as the denominator. So the reciprocal of 2 is 1/2. Next step, change the operation to multiplication, then multiply the fractions. First, change the operation from division to multiplication. Then multiply the fractions. 5 times 1 is 5. 8 times 2 is 16. So 5/8 divided by 2 is 5/16. Now, how do we divide a whole number by a fraction? First, make the whole number a fraction, then convert the divisor to its reciprocal. Example, 5 divided by 2/3. First, make the whole number a fraction. 5 gets a denominator of 1. Next, convert the divisor to its reciprocal. Interchange the numerator and the denominator. So 2/3 becomes 3/2. Next, change the operation to multiplication, then multiply the fractions. Change the operation from division to multiplication. Then multiply the fractions. 5 times 3 is 15. 1 times 2 is 2. So 5 divided by 2/3 is 15/2.